Hello and welcome to another Robot VARNAC video. Today we're going to show you how you can recycle those old soap chips you have laying around the house. You know, these little itty bitty bits of soap that you don't know what to do with. You don't really want to throw them out because there's still some soap left. Well, we're going to show you how you can combine them and make them into another bar of soap so you can use them all over again. So the first thing you need to do is get together a whole bunch of little pieces of soap that either you used up or something. You can ask your family and friends or co-workers at work, asking them for their old scrap pieces of soap. And then what you want to do is put these soaked in a container of water, and then they're going to all mush together and they'll become liquefied. Well, the next thing you need is something to pour the soap slop in so it'll harden into a bar of soap. So you need like a plastic container. This is for like an old pack of screws, but you'll notice it's tapered and it's about the right size for a bar of soap. So if you want to clean this out, and when the soap is liquefied, you pour it in here and set it aside somewhere and let it harden up. And in a few days after the water dries out and the soap solidifies into a bar of soap, you can get it out of the plastic container and have a whole brand new bar of soap that you can use again and save some money. So until next time, be sure to like, subscribe, and share your comments. Would you do this at home? Is going through all this trouble really worth saving a few dollars for a bar of soap? And going through all the trouble of saving the little scrap pieces? Let me know in the comments. So until next time,